model, 2015 Citroën Berlingo Partner L1 Diesel 1.6 HDi 625Kg Lux 75 PS Body, white, panel van mileage, 127,685 MOT, 27 June 2024 engine, 1560 cc DV6 ETE-DC transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, none runner. We picked this up from Diesel Specialist. Injectors and fuel pump have been removed and sent off for testing. Customer decided not to repair, so hence injectors and fuel pump are missing. Engine and running gear should be perfect. Grin condition summary. Bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail.